Respondent number 6.
My lord, the respondent number 6 is yours.
He was directed to remain personally present.
Yes, yes, my lord.
TIC.
Who is respondent number 6? Ask him to come forward. What is his name? Who is representing TIC?
Yes, sir.
What is his name?
নাম বলুন।
Where is your report? Ajit Chanda.
My lord, report is here.
ম্যানেজিং কমিটি চাইছিল না এটাকে রেগুলারাইজ করার জন্য লিভটা।
না ম্যাডামের কাছে মানে পিটিশনার
ম্যানেজিং কমিটি
হিসেবে যেটা হয় সেটা চাইছিলেন না।
কে চাইছিলেন না? ম্যানেজিং কমিটির কোন সদস্য চাইছিলেন না?
ম্যানেজিং কমিটির সবাই
কেউই চাইছিলেন না।
হ্যাঁ।
ঠিক আছে।
Whatever materials I have collected from the record, my lord, basically the petitioner was on leave from the date of the birth of the child. 140 days she was on leave. Thereafter, on 16th,
146 days.
146 days she availed the maternity leave from the date of the birth of the baby. Again, she joined on 23rd.
She joined on 16 November 2021. Took leave from 23rd June 2021.
My lord, and 15th November 2021, it's already completed 146 days. Thereafter, from 16th November she joined, and thereafter from 17th November 2021, she did not took any sort of leave or any intimation to the
Already
authority of
180
the
days
school.
already sanctioned by the MC.
146 days was sanctioned.
That period was COVID.
উনি
COVID
দিয়েছেন।
period. That period was COVID period. School was closed. 16 November, school open. On that day, I apply for maternity leave. Then
My lord.
180 days,
My lord, as per the
Please wait. I have heard you. Yes.
16 November 2021, school open, and on that day, I apply for maternity leave. On 25th November 2021, sanction for 180 days. MC already sanctioned. Suddenly, on 16/9/2023, MC cancelled the entire maternity leave.
But now it has been regularized.
But this is only for 34 days, my lord.
Yes, why 34
no,
days?
my lord, this is the wrong submission before my lord.
No. It's not a
My
wrong
lord.
submission. It also struck my mind.
No, my lord.
Just a minute. Wait. There was a maternity leave for a period from 23rd of June 2021 to 16 November 2021. 146 days. Again, a leave was obtained from 17 November 2021. 17 November 2021, and petitioner joined on 27 June 2022.
How many days?
How
my
many
lord?
days?
220 days.
So why
222 days.
34 days leave has been sanctioned?
There is 146 plus 220 days. It is
146 days is not in contention.
why, my lord?
It has been already sanctioned.
No,
Because after that, from 17 November 2021 to 27 June 2022,
my lord,
how many days are there?
my lord, as per this memo,
I am asking you how many days are there from 17 November 2021 to 27 June 2022. Why this cryptic affidavit? Where is the resolution which was placed before the ADI Kharagpur?
my
Shall I
lord,
direct the ADI Kharagpur to remain personally present?
Your loss is directed to annex all the
Yes.
resolutions.
Where is that?
all resolution are aligned with the TIC, my lord.
What?
No,
You
this
are-
was submitted in your presence. This order was passed. You submitted. Now you are shifting your stand for the reasons which is unknown to this court. Now you are trying to shift your stand. Don't be too clever before this court. Now, last occasion, it was your submission that all documents were placed before the ADI Kharagpur. So why come to the order passed by this court on last occasion?
my lord, I
Please come to the point. Please
my lord, I
please
agree
come.
with you.
Please come to the order passed by this court on last occasion. In view of such submission, please read it. Mr. Bimal Kumar Shahi, learned additional government period. Have you got the particular paragraph?
Yeah, it was there.
Where is
Yes,
that order?
Yes,
Where is the order? Mr. Additional government period? Where is the order?
was in my file, my lord.
Yes. Mr. Sannal, do you have a copy of this order?
Of your
Last order, please give it.
your lordship's order.
Yes,
Order is lying with me, my lord.
yes. Come to the particular portion, Mr. Bimal Kumar, you are Mr. Shahi?
My lord.
Yes. Come, please read it loudly.
Mr. Bimal Kumar Sai, learned additional government pleader representing the state respondents, submits that first temporary maternity leave was sanctioned in favor of the petitioner with break of service and subsequently on intervention of additional district inspector of school, secondary education at Kharagpur. The said leave was converted into maternity leave on 22nd July 2024 without break of service by adopting a managing committee resolution.
Please read it then.
Mr. Bimal Kumar Sai, learned
Please then read it in view of such submission.
made on behalf of the petitioner, the state respondents, additional district inspector of school, secondary education, Kharagpur subdivision, Paschim Midnapur is directed to submit a report in form of an affidavit disclosing the paper which were initially forwarded by the aforesaid school authority and subsequently a step taken by the said school authority for converting the leave from temporary maternity leave to maternity leave.
Please read then.
The managing committee resolution which has been adopted as submitted on behalf of the state respondent on 22nd July 2024 shall also be disclosed in the said report.
Where is that? Where is that managing committee resolution? There is a specific direction. Where you have annexed this managing committee resolution?
That is not annexed, my
Why? Why?
that was not eligible.
Why? Why this all was submitted and order was passed in your presence?
Supposed to be here.
Order was passed in your presence. Where are those resolutions? And where are the documents?
But anyhow, he did not turn up.
Where are the documents? 22nd July. Where is the managing committee resolution?
It was 22nd.
2024.
Where you have disclosed that managing committee resolution?
Resolutions are there.
एक ही कॉपी আছে तो.
I will not take it in this fashion. It's not a shop at market. You are practicing in High Court and holding the responsible post additional government pleader.
Is
How long you are practicing in this court?
since 24 years.
You are junior to whom? What sort of practice is this? At the very beginning, you should have submitted that this is not an affidavit in terms of the order of this court. You are there to assist the court. You are additional government pleader. You should know your responsibility. You are not there to, you are not representing any private party to mislead this court. At the very beginning, you should have submitted that this is not an affidavit in consonance with the order passed by this court. Grant me some more time to file a further affidavit. I could understand. Does it lie in your mouth, taking one stand on the earlier occasion and shifting your stand on the different occasion on being instructed by the additional government leader, ADI Kharagpur? What sort of practice is this? Where from you have learned it? Take it back. File an appropriate affidavit on the next date.
My lord, I only one request to your lordship, my lord, let them annex also the first resolution 25th November 2021 also, by which maternity leave was granted by the manager.
Yes, matter is taking a different shape. I'm finding.
Well, kindly do that. Let them both.
Now it appears to me that your ADI is in hand in gloves with the school. What is this? You are the ADI AC Kharagpur. You should place the appropriate facts before this court.
My lord, it was not in
In order to protect the school authority, will you invite any order, adverse order against the ADI?
I am not going to protect anyone.
Shall I direct the authority to initiate proceedings against the ADI? You are going too far, Mr. Sahi. High Court is like a live wire. You do not know. If you touch, you may get the shock. Don't take it so lightly. When I will file an affidavit strictly in consonance with the order passed by this court.
Within Friday, I will file it.
Yes.
Also direct 25th November, because I want a copy also there. 25th November 2021. The resolution by which my maternity leave was granted for 1 day.
25th November 2021.
আর বলো।
Later, in the recent one.
না, না,
As-
বলো, যেটা বলবে আমি লাগিয়ে দেবো।
এটা বলবে না।
বলো না তুমি কি কি রেজলিউশন তোমার লাগে।
আমার লাগবে, বাকি তো as per the court's order, courts has already directed.
25th November 2021 was the first resolution
First resolution.
by which your leave was sanctioned and
Exactly.
subsequently it
Exactly.
was revoked.
That's your loss.
25th November
It was
2021.
granted. Then revoked, then again resolute. The rest
Simple
were they.
simple issue. Papers are to be prepared and it is to be forwarded to the present school authority. Unnecessarily, time is being consumed due to claim tacit due to tacit stand on the part of the school authority. And now you are now it appears, Mr. Sai, your client is assisting the school authority.
documents to the
What is
current.
this? But it appears that the papers are not properly prepared. Only 34 days leave has been sanctioned.
Paper is, school has given the paper.
You give me your document, that papers. Give me. What is the other? I thought that today I would be able to dispose of this writ petition. Give a copy of that affidavit. What is this? How this court can dispose it of? You have stated in your affidavit that after from 19 July 2024, just a minute. From 16 November 2021, 17 November 2021 to 27 June 2022, leave was availed of by the petitioner. So November, how many days leave you have taken in the second phase? In the second phase, how many days leave you have
But I
taken?
have not. Malad, this is not like that. Malad, may I just assist your loss? Probably they cannot. Malad, I joined the school after the transfer order was issued by the board. Malad, on 29th June 2020.
No, you have joined after the baby was born on 23rd June 2021, after 146 days,
Baby
on-
was
on
I tell you.
16 November 2021.
Exactly.
Thereafter,
born 20
again, from 17 November 2021,
That's wrong.
right up to 27
Malad,
June
date of birth
2022.
of the child is right, 23rd June. I joined the school on 16th November 2021,
Yes.
not because of maternity leave. Entire school throughout the country was closed because of Corona. That period they are now counting. But the erstwhile managing committee granted 180 days leave from 17th November. This is the factual losses.
So from 17 November to 27 June, you took leave? 2022? From
Malad,
17 November to 27 June 2022?
17 November 2021, Malad, I applied for 100 days leave.
Yes, 17, COVID saved you.
That's your loss.
You were not required to take leave. That leave you took from 17 November 2021. So from 17 November 2021,
180
you
days.
joined on 27 June 2022. How many days leave?
Malad, that's I have to calculate. 180 days. No, I tell you losses.
How many days leave?
I just take it.
222 days, my lord.
222.
One
Just
second, I can-
a minute. Let me understand the position. It's not
joined on
a
this day.
not going to
Not
be
very
easily
easily.
as it appears. 222 days. Now 222, according to you, this 222 days leave was sanctioned by the school authority.
Malad, kindly 25th November 2020 resolution.
25th November 2022.
No, I tell you losses. Malad, maternity leave 180 days comes to 15th
আমার একটা copy
May
দাও না।
2022. I enjoyed that. Thereafter, Malad, summer vacation started.
No, what was the duration of maternity?
Malad, 180 days. That was granted.
From which
Malad,
date you took maternity?
Malad, I tell you. Malad,
From which date you took maternity?
I tell you, I applied on 16th November 2021 after Corona period was over, when the school opened. I applied on 16th November. Please give me 180 days from 17th November. This was granted up to my lord 15th May 2022.
Just a minute. (17 November 2021
To 15th May 2022. This is 180 days. I didn't apply thereafter.
But you took leave up to 27 June 2022.
No, this is my lord, intervening in summer holidays. How do I? They're including that. Kindly see the
My
resolution.
lord,
In the month of June
may I
2022.
allow to submit a geo? But it's,
I don't want geo. I want the facts first.
I'm
Geo will be applied
I'm
based on
assisting
facts.
before.
So
to your
therefore,
lordship.
the position is this: try to don't argue with the court so far this matter is concerned. This is not, you are not here to protect your client. School will clarify it. Try to appreciate what is your job here. Now, what was the position as it is submitted on behalf of the petitioner? If it is factually wrong, then I will consider you. If it is factually wrong, try to apply your mind. On 23rd June 2021, baby was born. Now, at the time of during this gestation period and on the date of delivery, there was no requirement to obtain leave because the school was closed due to COVID. It appears so. June 2021, it appears. Now, because Delta was there at that point of time, that's why even court was closed. Staggered court was there. Yes, you are appealing for the school authority, or try to apply your mind. 23rd June 2021, petitioner was saved due to COVID. She was not required to take any leave. After that, when she joined on 17 November 2020,
16 November.
On 16 November 2021, 23rd of June, 16 November 2021, after the lockdown was lifted, then she applied for leave, and the leave was obtained from 17 November 2021 to 15th May 2022. 180 days leave, maternity
So this is
leave.
why leave application accepted by the
Entitled to receive get the benefit of 180 days medical leave. Mr. Shahi, 180 days medical leave. So 180 days medical leave ended on 15th May 2022. Then from 16th May 2022, according to the petitioner, summer recess started. In the month of May, June,
Exactly.
everybody knows,
It's
summer recess started. Then school reopened on 27 June 2022. Reopened on 27 June 2022. After summer recess. So therefore, the period which is required to be sanctioned is maternity leave for a period of 180 days starting from 17 November 2021 to 15th May 2022. Is it factually incorrect? Tell me. If it is factually incorrect, then I will hear you, whatever you will submit.
no, it's too minor.
Then where is the question coming to regular to sanction 34 days, as you have stated in your affidavit?
Whatever they have sanctioned.
Yes, in paragraph 11, you have stated that on 22nd July 2024, management committee of so-and-so school converted 34 days temporary maternity leave into into permanent maternity leave. Why 34 days come into the picture? I will direct the board to supersede the managing committee and appoint an administrator. Mislead this court. They are see the position. Misleading your client. Not only this, they are not. And to that extent, your ADI AC Kharagpur has filed an affidavit. This is wrong affidavit factually. If this court is wrong on fact based on the submission made on behalf of the petitioner, you correct me. I will consider your point.
I agreed with you, my lord. There is no dispute from my end.
If it is factually incorrect,
with the line of the school who is not going to disclose the fact actually. They are
you are the ADI. You are the ADI.
what they are saying.
So they are
They are
working under you. Call the headmaster to your office with all papers and find out the position that your ADI has not done.
No, my lord. I have asked what I came to know that petitioner take 2 leaves, 146 days, which petitioner is claiming that was the. Let me finish first, my lord.
Taken at all. Like by the
Yes. Make your submission.
But as per the GO, I was trying to see you in this GO. It is categorically stated with reference to the subject mentioned above, the undersigned to the state that the maternity leave has to be granted 135 days from the date of the commencement, but not from the date of reopening of the school after vacation.
Commencement means
From the date birth of the baby.
yes.
And
But that time maternity leave was not availed of. That was not required since lockdown was continuing. It's a special situation.
that
We all know it's a special situation because of lockdown. Even there was a specific direction by the Supreme Court and the special bench of High
in
Court,
that case,
5 judges bench, directing that
second
all delays are to be condoned.
second
So
leave
why
can be granted.
Yes,
Second leave, as per my opinion, it might be granted.
yes, that should be.
That dispute
And
is
not only
created
this,
by the
Not only this, there is
members of the
Mr.
managing
Bhattacharyye, not
committee.
only this, there is
Submitting.
that previously that leave was sanctioned. Subsequently, this was revoked.
But I can tell you also something off the record if I get an opportunity. What did the earlier teacher do? This is being happening with all the throughout my career. I am saying your losses. This is happening in the particular district of Meta. The peculiar district I find. They take money even for getting a transfer. Release order. I'm keeping mum. I know about this teacher in here. This was granted by the earlier managing committee rightly. He had raked up all these issues. Now he has probably, I'm told he has resigned or something.
Remove or resign.
This is the situation in a parliament. These sort of matters should not come up to the High Court at all.
But not only this,
This is not a matter for the
today
High Court.
you are required to place all the facts based on which I could have passed a final order.
My lord.
So assist the court, Mr. Shahi.
My lord, I am here only to assist you, my lord. I am not going to create any such.
Which
kind of-
resolution you are saying that
25th November 2021.
25th November 20,
2021.
Where-
I believe my learned friend has a copy, because I tell you,
where 25th November 2021,
yes.
17th November took leave with an application. Then 25th November 2021,
This was granted.
this was granted.
Can you look at my application? What I wrote? Kindly just, it's a very simple application I've given to my learned friends, a copy also. This was received by the then managing committee. Yeah.
For necessary steps by the school authority on 16 November.
And I
2021.
prayed for 17th November because I knew, my lord, by the grace of the God,
Well,
I
I'll direct the school authority, Mr. Bhattacharyye, since you are appearing for the school authority,
File
Produce-
a fresh report. Will not
produce this 25th November
what kind
2021.
of this letter written by the earlier teacher in charge?
We are Millard now. They changed the advocate. Millard.
Can you-
I was going through the Millard report. Millard is not complete.
Kind of a look. Second paragraph. Your absence from duty in the school from 17th November 2021 to 15th May 2020 is now validated till now. Though several times you were contacted through mail or postal correspondence, a meeting was held in your presence in our school office to get your maternity leave authenticated. Your insufficient supporting document is the reason for delay to update the service work. 3. The MC resolution number such and such dated 25th November 2020, which was adopted to sanction your maternity leave previously, had been cancelled. Kind of a look at the nature of their action.
It's true, my lord.
What? And the teacher, lady teacher, has already taken
I
transfer.
enjoyed that leave. If somebody gets
I have to direct the board
by
to
operation
supersede
of
the
God, by
managing
the
committee
God of the grace of
and
the God,
uh,
why they can stand.
and appoint an administrator for doing the needful.
My lord, that will be the better option. I think so.
And let me come back with the instruction.
Now that the AD are trying to include the immediate summer vacation into my leave.
Yes,
That
it's a new thought. It's a new thought.
new thought.
New
And
thought.
I'm saved by both sides. By first
And 30 out of 180 days, 34 days leave has been sanctioned, and the ADI is saying by filing an affidavit.
by
Instead of making an inquiry, why this has been done? What sort of stand of your ADI is? What is this?
My lord, they are totally relying on the school documents. They cannot create the documents from their own side.
And they will not rely upon the order passed by the court on the last
Obviously,
occasion
they are
to
bound
disclose the resolution.
They are disclosing. But anyhow, they are.
Where is the affidavit disclosing that resolution
My lord,
dated July 2024?
If you allow, by Friday, I will submit it, my lord. But in this case, we have not to proceed up to further affidavit. You may dispose of this matter. The thing is, there is dispute among the members of the managing committee. Once they are sanctioning the maternity leave, once they are going to-
Yes, what?
basis of the erstwhile managing committee resolution, your losses dispose of the matter. Kindly observe the subsequent resolutions are not valid at all because
But
of this.
if I do not see the resolution, there is
For 25th November, I think my learned friend has a copy. Do that to the place it before the honorable court.
PIC is there. They have.
My lord, if my brother, if I don't take me amiss, I have seen it in your file. Can you have a look at it?
This one.
25th November, I have just now seen. Just you get a copy.
এক্ষুনি দিয়েছি স্যার
Now this is 25th now. Hand over to my lord.
keep it with you, file another affidavit.
One thing that, my lord, I prayed for that resolution. I was not given. My lord, kindly do not keep it on Friday, my lord. Any other day.
Yes,
But may I take your losses, please?
yes. Pursuant to the order dated 23rd July 2024,
हमारा तो hospitable.
writ petition is heard in presence of the learned advocates representing the parties. Stop. इसमें काट जाएगा। हाँ, तो उसका नाम क्या है? नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ।
इस केस में अलॉट भी नहीं है उसको, उसका नाम क्यों दे रहे हैं आप?
मिस्टर शाही
छाया करो
learned additional government freedom submits files a report in the form of affidavit affirmed by the assistant inspector of schools AC.
অজিত চন্দ্র কাগজে লিখে দিয়ে ভাই
No, not even ADI has affirmed it. It has been affirmed by one Manos De, who is working under assistant inspector. I will direct the ADI to affirm the affidavit.
he will affirm mine.
Affirm কি বললাম? হ্যাঁ, assistant inspector AC. On perusal of the said affidavit, it appears that the same has not been prepared in terms of the order dated 23rd July 2024 and the said affidavit and by affirming said affidavit, the resolutions of the managing committee of the school dated 22nd July 2024. Now, resolution of the managing committee of district Paschim Medinipur dated 22nd July 2024 has not been disclosed. The said affidavit is not, the said report in the form of affidavit is not accepted, and the same is returned to the learned advocate for the state respondents. And another opportunity is granted to the additional district inspector schools within bracket AC close bracket Kharagpur subdivision to file an affidavit afresh strictly in terms of the order dated 23rd July 2024, disclosing the resolution of the managing committee dated 22nd July 2024 and the previous resolution of the managing committee dated 25th November 2021, whereby maternity leave application of the petitioner dated 16 November 2021 was allowed. Stop. Next paragraph. It has been submitted on behalf of the petitioner that due to nationwide lockdown for COVID pandemic, petitioner was not required to take maternity leave at the time of giving birth. Now, at the time when her baby was born on 23rd June 2021, since the school was closed due to lockdown. Stop.
Fresh report.
After lifting of lockdown, petitioner joined the school on 16th November 2021. Now, on 17th November 2021, when you have joined 16th or 17th, 16th November 2021, 16th November 2021, and application was made on 16 November 2021 for availing maternity leave. Copy of such application dated 16 November 2021, leave application dated 16 November 2021 is placed before this court on behalf of the petitioner and the same was taken on record. Stop. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that on receipt of the maternity, on receipt of the leave was sanctioned in favor of the petitioner with a managing committee resolution dated 25th November 2021. Stop. Next paragraph. This court fails to understand if leave